So you got all your pieces out, make sure obviously you check everything for damages, and lay everything out in a clear order. You want to start with panel K, it's labelled underneath. You take 6 camera bin bolts and attach them 3 on either side. So we've got 3 camera pins into panel K, and then you want to grab your D leg, it's labelled on the inside. Yeah. Oh, wrong side. Just to go on this side, left side. Then you want to take these and then just put them in and tighten them up. You want to take panel C. So we've got C and D legs, both attached. Now you want to build the back section of the shelf. So you want to grab panel J and put dowels in all the holes, all the way along, all the way around. You want to grab panel G and then just push it on. And then the same with panel H. Just like that. And then 3 of the bottom dowels, make sure your chocks, wooden chocks are on the bottom. These 3 dowels here want to go in these 3 back holes. Bit of pressure down. So now we're going to do M6B30 bolt with a little washer, and you're going to put 1 in here and 1 in this bottom one. So 2 either side. Same on the other side. 2 again in there. Leaving everything loose. Yeah. You can take part F, and this wants to go across here like that, and then you'll put 2 M6B30 screws straight into there, 1 into there, 1 into that side. So we've attached panel F. It doesn't matter which way around that goes as long as it's straight on. So you want to take 4 dowels, you just want to put them in here. It'll be a little tight, so you might have to give them a little tap. You want to take panel I and sit it over the dowels. So we've got panel I attached. Now that just sits on top of the dowels. There's no screws or anything with that. So make sure your LED cables are put off to the side for now. See, it explains in the instructions how to connect them. So you're going to take panel L. Now there's two of these. They're the same. So just pick up one at the moment. And then this wants to be attached onto here, like that. Two M6B30 screws and washers, one there and one here. So we've got the panel L on, that's attached. Now if you get the other one, exact same side, sorry, opposite side, again M6B30 screws there with washers. So we've got both panel L's on. As you remember, they're the exact same, so it doesn't matter which one goes on which side. Just make sure these nut certs are obviously facing this way. Once you've done that, take panel E, and then this sits on top of here, and then two M6B30 screws, one in this side, one in this side. Because we left everything loose, if the holes don't quite line up, this is your chance for a bit of movement, as you can see there. But put your screws in, again, leave them loose, don't over tighten them. So that panel E's on, it's attached. Two M6B30 screws, one either end. Now once you've done that, grab panel B. Now you've got an LED stuck to this piece and a cable coming out of the right hand side. So as you put it on, slide the cable through the hole on panel E, and it sits in like that. And then you want two M6B30 screws again, one here and one at this side. So panel B is attached and you've got your cable coming out the right hand side. So now we're time for the top panel. So, panel A, and then you want 9 cam and pins, put one in every hole you got on here. So we've got panel A and we've got all our cam and pins screwed in. So now this wants to sit on top of the mantle. So flip it over. Put it on like that. And then take these again and secure the top in place. So once you've got it on and you've put in all the bolts, just tighten them up. Once you've done all that, then go around and you can tighten every screw up that you've put in and you left loose. Once you've done that and you turn it round, if there's any gaps, you can just loosen them back up again, push them to one side and tighten them up. It's very straightforward. So now we can go around, tighten everything up on both sides. And once you've done that, you can turn it around. And you can see there, obviously that's okay. But if you find any gaps within the joins, you can then undo them again, push them tighter and retighten them. But now this is ready for your fire.